Erin how to make a wig today because normally she asked me to make it for her, but I guess she decided that she wanted to do it herself from now on.
You know, I feel like it's an inconvenience to you, so I decided I'm gonna take it upon myself to be an adult and do my wig myself.
Okay, so y'all see that this grass vlog from Brooke's party is still up because we're trying to get rid of it, and I have asked for it and they still haven't came and got it. So at this point I'm just like, okay, we're gonna just fold this thing down. It's like we have it where it's zip tied together, 2 pieces. So we're gonna probably just fold this down and just, so far she's sewn the lace frontal on. Took her about an hour. No.
I'm trying, okay?
And now we're getting, you should go on top. I feel like it'll be easier because
like that?
No, like yeah.
Okay.
Just because I feel like you won't get the spandex as much.
Check my shop out whenever I do have wigs coming out, because you know you created a monster, so I'm about to be popping on these wigs. Oh. Is that how you do it? No.
No. Yeah, that's how you do it. I have to do my actual hair part like today. I'm gonna wash it because it's a hot.
Me too. I got too much glue on mine.
me too.
Too much glue on mine.
So y'all asking to see me, my natural hair. I'm going to wash my hair probably today or tomorrow, depending on how fast I can film this video.
She got a whole bunch of hair, I don't even know. Oh.
They think I'm bald probably, honestly.
They probably do.
They think I probably am actually bald and I have no hair. I just don't like doing my hair. My hair just...
She's got a lot of hair, that's why.
It just takes forever to do. It's too curly and I don't want to comb through it. I'm tender-headed.
Same.
I'm so tender-headed. Yeah, so when I braid her hair, she'd be like... You wanna see Grandma and Grandpa? Gonna go see your grandpa? Let's hope he acts okay this time. Winter cleaning. I mean fall cleaning. Okay, so Brooks is with Justin's stepmom and his dad. So while he's there, we're gonna just do some cleaning. And I'm gonna film a video for my channel. I know I look kind of busted right now, but give me like 30 minutes. I won't be busted no more. He's crying. Hi. He's so happy to see us. Say, I miss my mom and dad. Yeah. He always cries whenever he sees us. Like every time we come pick him up, he just starts crying. They have some huge mosquitoes out here, dang. Say hey guys. You go in your car seat. And guys, I don't literally give Brooks junk food. Not junk food, fast food. We never eat fast food, like ever.
That was you.
So that was like me starving. I was peekaboo. Peekaboo, peekaboo. Peekaboo. Let's go. Oh, look at our clean room. Look at the bed. What's for dinner? Sushi. Where'd you get these from?
A long time ago, I made sushi.
Oh.
You don't know how to use them?
I really don't. He loves the movie called Sing. He eats stuff so weird.
He turns it.
Like, he eats it the wrong way. Have you noticed I've been wearing your clothes for the past 2 days?
You wear my clothes every day.
Like, this shirt is oversized, obviously. Why is the neck so stretched out?
That's how it came, and I didn't realize it till I got home, and I was like, I don't like this.
What am I eating today? Fries from Chick-fil-A, a chocolate shake.
You're going to Chick-fil-A too much. Go turn it the wrong way.
Baby mukbang.